Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are going to look into how to make a 3D model using photogrammetry software. So today we are going to make a 3D model from a Google Earth imagery. So first let's choose a Google Earth site. So how photogrammetry actually works is you take different photos or a video of an object or a space from all different angles, and the software combines all those data to form a 3D model. So instead we are using the Google Earth 3D to recreate the same 3D in a different platform. So first let's choose a site. So here we are choosing full screen. So the first thing we have to do in Google Earth is to create a path. So we are creating a path in order to guide our camera through specific lines so that it creates a uniform video output, so as that the camera sees all the parts of the building or the space. So in order to get a best output, we just create a grid path. So this is how we create a path, and next we can elevate the path to a desired altitude so that the camera views from that angle. Yeah, we can just edit the altitude by clicking on the properties of the path. And if we click play on the path icon, the play button, you'll actually see the camera starting to move through the path. So it just moves through the path we have drawn. So if we hide the path layer, it will hide the path lines, but you can still move through that path with the camera, so you won't actually see the path's line. And the next step is to record this to a video. So what we are going to do is go to the movie maker tool. So in the movie maker, we just put in the attributes like what kind of output and stuff we need, like the frame rates and stuff. We choose our location to save, and when we just start clicking create movie, the movie maker is actually recording our Google Earth screen right now. So all we need to do is play the path, the camera movement through the path. So it automatically starts recording the path we are going through. So finally we are going to get a video out of it. So yeah, so we'll wait for this to record and see the output. After we finish the video recording, when we have to stop the video recording, just click finish so that it automatically saves. And now we can check our video. So yeah, so the whole video has been recorded, and the camera is going through all that path movements, and it has a good view of what we want the model to be. And in the next video we can see how we are going to take this video and create a 3D model out of it using the software Pix4D.